Before you start using Restream.io, watch out for these top mistakes most creators make while using Restream.io to boost their watch hours and their subscribers. Now we know that the requirement for YouTube monetization is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And Restream.io is a great way, a great software, to hasten up the process of getting your subscribers and your watch hours simply by restreaming catchy videos on your YouTube channel, okay, that will, bring in your subscribers and your watch hours. While that is a good thing to do, but there is a wrong way that you could be doing it that will affect your channel in the long run. So we know that everything we do in life always has a good side and a downside, especially if you overdo it or you do things excessively, it can have negative side effects. Welcome back to my channel. I am Angela, the face behind this channel. I'm always excited to inspire, motivate, and encourage you on your YouTube journey and also to improve as a person. So in this video, I'm going to be highlighting some of the top mistakes most creators make and how you should avoid it, okay? Personally, I have used Restream.io, so I know what I am talking about. I have also done my research and I took my time to analyze it, to figure out the best way to implement it so that it will not affect your channel, especially when it's time for you to get monetized. Now, the number one mistake people make is using content that is not their own for their live restream. I know that there are videos on YouTube that will tell you to go to IG to download some viral videos, or TikTok to download some viral videos, or download a certain video from a certain website to use for your live restream. Well, this can be very dangerous and have repercussions in future, because remember, they are not your original content, and you restreaming them live on your YouTube channel might cause you copyright violation later on in future. You can never tell. So to be on the safe side, I recommend you use your original videos, okay? Create your own videos by yourself. It can be videos relating to your niche, the ones that you create for your long form videos. It can be just any random video. Maybe you went somewhere for a hiking, or maybe you went to visit a zoo, or maybe you went to the market, you saw something interesting. It mustn't be a long video, like a 2 minutes long video is great to restream, okay? So you have to watch out for unoriginal content while doing your live restream. That way you are sure that every video on your live restream is yours, so you don't have to worry about copyright violation or anything of such, okay? Because YouTube don't joke with that. So if you don't want to be at risk of anything like that, just stick to your own personal videos, okay? So another major mistake that people make is, I have seen a lot of channel continuously restreaming the same video over and over and over and over again. Just because one particular video did well for you the first time does not mean you should keep on restreaming that video over and over again, every day, every week. I think this is going to create a very big issue for you if you are someone who is doing that. Just because you use an octopus video or a video of someone cutting meat or something, and that video did really well, and then you keep using that video for your live restream, I don't think that's a good thing to do. You might want to change your video. The thing is, each time you are doing a live restream, make sure that the video you are using is different to avoid reused content violation, okay? So this is very, very important. So if you found value in this video, do well to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that next time I drop a video like this, you will be notified. Support me on my way to the top. Every support from you is highly appreciated. Let me know in the comment section If you are someone who is using Restream to grow your channel, if you are considering it, why you have not started using it, what your fears are, pop the question in the comment section. If I have the answer to it, I will gladly respond immediately and answer your question. So the last mistake that I want to highlight on this video that you should avoid, very, very important, is please, when you are doing your live Restream, don't overdo it. You can stream like maximum of 11 hours plus, but please do not let it exceed 12 hours, because if you exceed 12 hours, the watch time, the watch hours you are going to get from that particular live stream is not going to be counted towards your monetization. Like YouTube won't even look at that because they can't even process it. Okay, so when you are doing your live Restream, don't let it exceed 12 hours. As a matter of fact, 11 hours plus, let it end there. Don't overdo it. I know this thing can be tricky. So you are doing your live stream, you're seeing massive results, people are watching, and then you don't feel like ending the stream because you see that you still have like 100 and something plus people watching your video. You just don't want to end the stream, but you have to. You have to. Okay, so what is worth doing is worth doing well. So we know that hitting those milestones for monetization is not an easy task, but using Restream.io is one of the fastest way you can use to get to hit your monetization requirement. Okay, so far so good. My experience with Restream.io has been good. I've been able to hit 1K subscribers, and I have been able to grow my watch time, my watch hours. And so I feel if you are someone who has a target, you have a goal, you really want to get monetized as fast as possible, you might consider using Restream.io for your live Restream. Okay, and please bear in mind and consider these few mistakes I highlighted here and avoid them to the best of your ability so that you will avoid Hadino later on in future. So that's it from me today. Kindly hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed my video, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.